Hello dear children. Our today's topic is cloud computing. We will discuss its meaning and its characteristics. Cloud computing. It contains two words, cloud and computing. First, let's discuss cloud. Cloud. We are not talking about the clouds in the sky here. Cloud is a service through which we can access services remotely. We access clouds daily while using technology. But till now, we are not aware about it. For example, while accessing emails, when we check our emails, when we send it to our friends, when we attach files with it, when we are doing web conferencing, online meetings, when we are using clouds in our computing. There is another word, computing. Computing, all the works or accessing the applications through computer is called computing. So, we can say cloud storage or cloud computing is an internet service that provides storage facility to computer users to store the things without using any physical device like pen drive, floppy, CD, etc. Now, let's discuss its advantages. First advantage is independency. It has ended the dependency on platforms like when we use Windows, we need to download many softwares and time to time it requires updations. But cloud computing allows us to use the software directly, means we can use it without downloading. Second feature is synchronization. We can access same document or our other web materials on our all devices in the same format anywhere with the help of only one thing, and that is high speed internet. Next and best feature is flexible configuration. We can increase or decrease its configuration anytime. Means if we have 10 employees in our organization and now we want to add 3 more employees, then its cost will not be increased. While if we use Windows, then we must have to take license for all 3 employees, which will increase the cost. In short, we can say cloud storage or cloud computing is a storage facility to its users. It provides us many features like independency, synchronization, and flexible configuration too. People choose cloud computing for a variety of other reasons too, like cost saving and space saving. Thank you.